Alright guys, welcome back to part 3 of the build series on the 5.3 LS. In this video, we're going to put the heads on, do the push rods, rocker arms, and the valve covers. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, I'm going to put the alignment dowel pins in now.
We're going to try to.
Yeah, no shit. Seems a little overkill for the job.
Jesus Christ.
Alright, now we're going to get the heads on this thing. First, you're going to put the head gaskets on. You got a little label. It says front. Make sure that's facing toward the front. Line them up. Again, front toward the front.
Oh, she's leaking on this side too, buddy. You gave her really good, didn't you? Oh, yeah.
There we go. Two shorter ones go in the very front, the very back, and the middle set hole. This one and this one. Little shorter ones also go in the bottom, middle, or the bottom. No, they don't. Why do you hand me the wrong bolts? Hold on a second.
I gave you 4? Yep. I wonder where the other 2 went.
I guess we both wondered. I didn't think so. I thought it was just. All right, I got the 2 right bolts now. Let's try this again. You must just put that on there because that smells good. Smell it? I know you do, fat ass.
I don't smell.
I know you smell food. I smell it. I accidentally broke the coolant temp sensor.
Huh?
Coolant temp sensor just snapped.
Unbelievable.
Too bad we got about 6 more hours.
I just smell chicken.
Yeah, I knew you would, fat fucker.
You don't call me FFF for nothing.
I know. God damn. Hand will get tight. Woo! You can at least show them what the fuck we're watching, so we don't look like a bunch of idiots just gazing up at the fucking TV.
They can't even see your head anyway.
Oh shit! We're watching Wicked Warzone on TV, boys and girls. No, that's probably all, guys.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll get this other head up there.
That one needs you.
Yeah, that one actually was kind of. I don't know if he's clean. Alright, I got the bolts for the other side. Same thing on this side, the two small ones. Very front and very back in the middle. Cam, with that one with the wadded up front tire looks like you, buddy.
Alright, you go screw off.
It's alright, you already won the minivan class. Most want to find art class.
Yeah, dude. It's bigger than me, dude.
You still, you could only dream to get down to the end, buddy.
Alright.
Alright guys, I'm gonna throw these little bolts in here. My dad's gonna hop in here and start torquing these down. Cam's gonna trip on the cord.
Harder not. Yeah.
It's okay, fat fuck. We're eating dinners when we're still hunting.
I'm gonna eat your share.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, well, when you eat my share, there's still gonna be another share because there's 2 packages. What are your stages of torque there, bud?
25, 50, 75 according to this chart. Once you finish all the big ones, you go down through all the little ones at 25. There's 2 different torque charts, but we're using this one.
I just ate window. Nancy.
There, bud.
She wants to drive already.
She's so excited.
I'm so excited.
Where's the pajama pants, Ricky? Oh, ain't got that far yet.
He actually did something today.
What did you do today again?
Cavaliers in the barn.
Huh?
Trailer's empty. Ready, go get more next weekend. By the time they... Get out of here, you fuck. You're gonna give me once, I'm gonna fucking whip this log chain at you. Karma, bitch. Gonna go ahead and put the valley cover on.
What's your pork spec for that, bud?
According to the chart, 9 pounds.
Mine. Ain't mine. You're my way again, man. Put the price rod. Push. Wow. Put the push rod down in this side. Put the push rods in on this side. Holy. Oh. Why are you guys whispering your picks it all?
I don't fucking know.
When are you gonna learn?
We're just talking with our inside voices, bud. Yeah.
You don't have a fucking inside voice. I've known you for long enough to know you don't have one.
He doesn't have.
I still have a picture of you in a dress from that field trip. That one. Like the Amish people dress.
The Civil War reenactment?
No, it was like 7th grade or something.
That was the Civil War up in
No,
Mississippi.
okay, it was younger than that. It was like when they had those like Amish clothes and they like had those dresses with the big pink
Cam.
skirts. They put Cameron in.
Cam, I bet you were the cutest little Amish girl.
It was a white
Did
dress.
you turn
could've
any
been a
butter?
bride.
No, they asked if anybody wanted to do it.
And
That was the
Cameron
first time I was
volunteered.
Not the first time I was in a dress either. I won't let him.
Did you get money?
They got goose feathers on these.
Is that your battery?
Yeah.
You might have a goose feather riding solo with you, Dad.
That's alright.
There's also a
It'll
hook.
go down in history.
Sounds like battery to me.
What's your torque specs there, bud?
We're not even that far yet.
We're gonna bring Connor to look at my car.
It ends up
It's
being it ends up being 22 foot-pounds, but you have to do them in a couple different stages.
Series, we gotta turn the motor over and stuff.
Oh. That's good to know.
I'll walk you through it here in just a minute.
I'll walk you like a dog.
Yep. Gotta catch me first.
Isn't somebody missing up there?
Cameron.
Yeah.
Where is it?
Oh, he just won't bring it.
I keep forgetting right. Some cameraman, you know.
Who's that one?
The
The one next
Thanks
door.
to broadhead decals for the roof
That
signs.
one's Connor's,
no, that was Ben's. Connor's is this new one right here that he just got.
Hey,
'cause
what
he
number am I?
Ben's too much.
isn't it? I don't know, I'm sorry.
Alright, we got them all torqued down to 22 foot-pounds. Now we gotta turn the motor over 180 degrees and torque them all 22 foot-pounds again. Got them 22 foot-pounds again. Gonna go another 180. Back up a little bit.
Put it in reverse, Tyler.
Alright, now that we got everything torqued up, we're going to go ahead and put valve covers on. Got our seals in here. Alright, bud, that one's good. Go ahead and put the other side on here.
What you choking them down to, bud?
9 foot pump.
Alright guys, this is going to conclude part 3. If you made it this far in the video, feel free to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one.